Civic here on a 2008-2009 plate, just doing a side light bulb. I'm not really doing a side light bulb, but I'm just going to show you how it's done. The side lights are working on this. Is those two little lights, you know, when you switch them on one click on the stalk itself or the switch. Now this side here is the most awkward one. I've already done a video for the main dip beam, which is really difficult, and now I'm going to show you how to do the side light bulb. On that side it's all easy, so I'm not going to really touch that side. If you know what you're doing on this side, you'll know what you're doing on that side as well. Now if you come in, this is the cover I need to remove. So if I remove this cover right here, just make sure you don't drop the cover. And then on the inside you see the brown and white cable, the wire thing, and it's got a brown plug at the end. That's what you need to pull. All you got to remember, when you get your fingers in there, you twist it to left or right a little bit, not from the wires, from the plug itself. You twist it left, right, and then pull it towards you. Pull it out, sorry. So if I do that now, and there is a kind of a holding point on the bulb holder as well. So here we go, that's out. As you can see, that's the bulb holder right there. So you get your fingers in there, twist it left, right, and then take it out. Now this is a 501 bulb. I take the bulb out, put a new one in, and the main dip beam is a H7 bulb. So all you then do is, there's a hole right there. I just need to locate the hole. Got a new bulb fitted, got to locate the hole and then push it in. That's it, that's all in there now. It's sort of clicked in. I then get the cover, make sure I don't drop the cover, and then that's it. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, do check out the playlist for Honda, and there'll be videos out there for the same model, for the main dip beam as well, and I think we've got a couple of videos for the rear tail lights. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you and goodbye.